Okay, here we are. So we have some material, foam material installed in the boot. Give it a little bit of a neater look. I think it came out amazing, so much more cleaner, and I think, at least not just stuff thrown together and put together, whatever the case is, but we're going to try and clean up as much as we can, make it extremely presentable for sound quality judges to give us the feedback. But we believe this is a great start. From here, I think we're going to move on to the battery box to secure the lithium in place, and then we're going to work on the fusing for safety. I think it's a good start for a Friday. Very, very late start, but a very good start for Friday. We are going to obviously be removing panels to run the speaker wires, the RCAs and stuff. We're going to run another set, and we're going to try and see how we can do that to run our dual system Corsa. Let's see how it goes. Give us your feedback. Thank you. Okay, so to share with you today, this is our first few steps. We'll start with the board. To show you the wiring that we're using for our speakers, we're using the DD Audio Z wire, which is from a roll. We are using it's 100% OFC, oxygen-free copper, and it's tinned as well, so it means it's great for not getting corroded or turning green. So here's an idea of what the cable would look like. This is your DD Audio cable, branded cable, and just find the end of it. So sorry about that. So here's the wire. Have a look at the cable. We are going to de-sleeve it now for you to have a look at. Okay, so that's what tinned OFC copper looks like. You can show it better there. Sorry about that. But yeah, you can see that's the tinned color. Inside it's pure copper when you cut it. This is what's going to prevent the corrosion. If you look at the quality, the diameter of the cable itself, it's very, very thick copper. Good conductivity. Obviously this is regarded as a 12 gauge, which is similar to a 2.5mm wire. I would say give or take, this is safely for about 300 watts RMS power, give or take, but you could use this as your basic subwoofer wire as well, but we will be using this for our tweeters and our mid-ranges, our low speakers, so we're going to be doing multiple runs from here all the way down there to the front of the car while we are working on it. We are obviously doing some twisting of our RCs as well, so we are good. That twisting effect is to eliminate EMI, any interference that we may possibly pick up in the car. But yeah, with this wire and a couple of best practices techniques, we believe that we are going to get some good sound quality, and obviously we want to minimize any line noise as well that we pick up. Stay tuned for more. Okay, so here we have done some plating that we believe will work to eliminate crosstalk. We're using some Cyberdyne RCA cables for now. We're going to test them, see how they go. That's our one run of speaker wire there. There's 2 pairs platted. There's another 2 pairs there. So we've got two pairs to run for one set of splits, mid and tweeter on one side, one set of mids and tweeter on the other side. Let's see how it goes from there. Keep you updated. Okay, so we have now used our black sleeving to neaten up our wiring. One contains the for the 3 RCAs that have been platted. The other 2 is for a left channel and a right channel. So left and right, we've got 2 channels running there, another 2 channels running in there. We are obviously will add at a later stage additional channels, but just to get started off now for a set of splits for the mid and tweeter, this is absolutely perfect at the moment. There's obviously more work to do towards the end of the sleeving, where they will be sleeved individually and neatly, just to look better for the vehicle, for the show, for the display side of it. So yeah, we'll show that off next. Okay, so these pieces here are, when we run these cables down from here to that corner, we're then going to have a junction point from there over to that side. And from there it will then distribute and connect to there, because we are planning to make a connection, a nice neat junction point there, and we're going to do another one that's down there in the passenger footwell, so that it'll allow you to interchange, to use, if you're using only 2 channels per side, or if you're using 3 or 4 channels, you can easily add without needing to cut wire or install a whole new cable altogether. So that's the plan. That's the reason why we're segmenting it, but we will see, we'll show you step by step as we go along.